Welcome to our channel. Today, I would like to introduce you about my book titled Zero to Mastery: The Complete Guide to Learning PostgreSQL with Python GUI. This book uses the PostgreSQL version of MySQL-based Northwind database that you can download freely. The database is a sample database that was originally created by Microsoft and used as the basis for the tutorials in a variety of the database product for decades. Okay, in this book, you will write Python script to create every table and insert rows of data into each of them. You will also develop GUI to with PyQt 5 to each table in the database, and you will plot case distribution of order date by year, quarter, month, week, day, and hour, and the distribution of amount by year, quarter, month, week, and day. The distribution of bottom 10 sales by product, top 10 sales by product, bottom and 10 sales, bottom and top 10 sales by customer, by supplier, by customer city, by customer country, supplier country, and average amount by month with mean, and average amount by every month, amount of feature over June 1997, 1998, and all years. Okay, you can find this book in Amazon with Kindle format and paperback format, and you can also find the book in Google Play Book. We need to take a look at the source code. Okay, using Spider. Okay, this is the main source code, GUI underscore main, that loads this file, GUI region, territory, employee, product, category, shipper, order, and GUI order detail. And can try to run this source code. Okay, this is the main form in the program. At this time, we can see that the push buttons, all push buttons are disabled, and the item menu are also disabled. We need to log in. Okay, give the match user and password. Okay. Login is successful. If login is successful, or all those buttons are enabled, and the item menus are enabled as well. Okay, at this time we can access all the form, starting from region. We can see we can click at certain cell in the table widget. Okay, we can see that the information in the certain row will be displayed in this input widgets. Okay, in this program you can also you can change the description of the region directly from the table. For example, we can try to double click the cell in the row 6 Asian, then the region record is successfully edited. Okay, it had been saved into the database. Okay, we can change back to the and we can also use the navigational buttons. Yeah, using these 4 navigational buttons, and we can also edit using this button and insert and delete. We can also see the case distribution of the region in the table. Okay, in the territory region, okay, we can see, you can also click at any row in the table and see the information displayed in input widgets, line way, edit, and combo box. You can also directly change the territory description or and territory code directly from the table widget. Is like this. Double click and you can change, and the change had been saved into the database, and the combo box had been updated as well. Okay, you can also change this code, and the combo box will be updated. Okay, you can also use these navigational buttons to see the content of row by row, the content of territories button. Okay, in this form, you can also access the region form. Okay, and in this territory form, you can also see the case distribution of region's territory. Okay, and in the employee form, you can see the table, and you can also form the same utility and by directly editing the employees table directly from double widget. You can also see the distribution, the statistical visualization in the employees table like this, and in the employee territories table. Okay, next in the book you will find customer, okay, with the same utilities. Okay, and shipper, okay, order, you can see the case distribution of ship company, the case distribution of ship name, employee name, and customer company. Supplier, you can see the case distribution of supplier's country, supplier city, region, and supplier's title. Category, and this is product. You can see distribution of product category, product city, and product country. And the last one, order detail. You can see the certain order ID with every item in the order ID. And you can add, edit, insert, and delete. Okay, and you can visualize the order date, the case distribution of order date by year, by quarter, by month, by week, and by day. Okay, payment amount by year, by quarter, by month, by week, and by day. Okay, this is the bottom 10 sales by product, top 10 by product, bottom 10 sales by customer, top 10 by customer, by supplier, top 10 sales by supplier, customer country, top 10 sales customer country, supplier country, top 10 sales by supplier country, and this is the average amount by month. This is average month every month, month to month. This is the amount feature over June 1997, and this is over 1998, and this is all years. Okay, this is all the program, yeah, in the book. You can, if you find this book is useful for you, you can buy this book, and you can. And using DB schema, we can find the entity relationship diagram of each table. Okay, this is all in the book. You'll be taught step by step to implement and realize the application. Thank you very much for seeing this, for watching this video. Thank you.